Welcome back, everybody.
Hello, hi.
And we're drawing the characters from Hey Duggee. So we are going to draw Norrie the mouse.
Drawing. Whoops. Rubbing out.
Are you ready, Izzy?
Yeah.
So we're going to start in the middle, right over here, nice and big. But we're going to draw a circle, but we're going to leave some gaps. So we start the circle and we leave a little gap. We leave another little gap. And we bring the circle down. Yours isn't round. And I'm bringing it up there. So we have a circle with 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps. And now I am drawing a long nose shape. And to this nose shape I'm adding a circle. And here I'm drawing an ear. And another circle for another ear. So you got that? That's Norrie. So we draw a smiling mouth. Open mouth like that. We fit in a little tongue. You're gonna fit in the tongue. Okay, and we draw 2 dotted eyes. So there's Norrie's head, everybody. So before we continue, we're going to ask everybody to please like and subscribe. Okay, so Norrie is funny. So we're going to close this line. We bring down a little neck. We draw a line going straight across.
Okay.
We bring that down a bit further. Draw another rectangular shape going straight across. And now I'm going to draw in a little square over there.
Okay.
So that's Norrie's like tire, the same tire that Duggee had. See? Remember the Duggee drawing? So now we leave a space there, and we draw a line going down and a bit outwards like a dress, because Norrie's a little girl and she's wearing a dress. Try to get that height the same. Get the height equal height. Now we draw a line going there and we leave a space and we connect the middle bit, but we leave another space for the other leg and we complete that shape. Can you see it's kind of a triangular shape?
Yeah.
And we draw legs going down and we come back up. We just bring it around, curve here and come back up. Same style of legs that we did on the happy drawing.
Yeah.
So finish those legs off with some shoes. You draw 2 lines going across. You got that? And now we're going to draw from the top or the bottom. Okay, we're going to draw from, I'd say from the top. From the top of the space, we go draw a line out. We curl it down here, but then we bring it around, curl it back, and make an arm. You have that? Let me see. That's correct. Now from the top again. Arm going around, curl it back, then curl it back around, and there we have 2 little arms. And did you jump ahead? And one there, a line there, and a line there, and that's our Norrie. Okay. I like your Norrie. Okay, so let's color. We are going to need some purple and some browns. And pink.
No.
Purple, brown, pink, and a yellow. We've got a yellow here as well. I've got another yellow. Did I grab an? Okay, so what must I? Do you have your purple? Okay, I'll start with my yellows. And that's our fully colored Norrie.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like,
Do that try.
do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
No, it's so funny.